Yeah, since we've made these changes inside the business, one of the things that allowed me to do is focus on what I love to do, and that's helping more people. So we can allow to do some more presentations. It's allowed us to free up time. I love going skiing with my family. Hi, my name's Scott Wilson from Digital Influence. We work in the franchising area, mainly in automotive, and we help companies grow. Before joining Seven Figure Agency, we were sitting around the 60,000 recurring revenue mark. And probably had about maybe, I don't know, 20 odd clients. Where are we now? We just crossed over 215, recurring revenue, and have something like 40 odd, maybe 50 clients. Yeah, prior to joining Seven Figure Agency, we didn't have a lot of frameworks inside the business. And one of the cool things about joining Seven Figure Agency was the frameworks that we got. I think I heard one of the people say once, business is either guesswork, hard work, or frameworks. And I think it was Chris Rodriguez actually from Seven Figure. And that really struck to me, like we needed to create more frameworks inside the business to allow to build the systems to help people grow. Some of the main challenges, obviously, when you own an agency, it's very emotional because people are giving you money to make them more money. So just being able to, I guess, get around your peers that have had that same experience and how to handle that and how to deal with helping your clients be more successful. And that's one of the things I think from Seven Figure Agency, the community. There's a great saying, people come for content, but they stay for your community. The Seven Figure Agency community is one of those communities that really helps and really is a giving community. Yeah, so since joining Seven Figure Agency, the agency has really changed. We've brought in leaders inside the business. And those leaders now have their own goals and are growing their own teams. And it's really allowed us to free up to help more clients, which has been one of our goals. Yeah, since we've made these changes inside the business, one of the things that allowed me to do is focus on what I love to do, and that's helping more people. So we can allow to do some more presentations. It's allowed us to free up time. I love going skiing with my family. So that type of stuff has really been really cool. So in the next 6 to 12 months, one of the coolest things we've just done is we've just opened up a brand new office. We've gone from a few people not having desks to now having a beautiful new office. So next week we're actually hiring 3 more people. We've got 3 more people started, and the coolest thing is we've got desks for them. The most valuable part of Seven Figure Agency is the people inside. It's a community that just gives. You can bring anything that you're having issues with, and people will help you out. And that's it's a great community for that. The content is amazing, but the community is the next level. One of the things going from growing a Seven Figure Agency and growing through the levels of, I guess the biggest thing growing from say 1 to 2 is you have to put a bit of management structure or a leadership team structure in. So we were lucky enough here to find Lynn Askin from EOS, and he's part of the group. So we actually got him to come into our business and help us with that. So that was a real game changer for us because it allowed us to grow leaders. And when you start to get into that level, new level of business, you kind of remove your focus from just getting leads and sales to growing team. And personally, you need people to help you with that. So that was probably the biggest change there. And yeah, look, if you're sitting on the fence and thinking you should join Seven Figure Agency, I'd say just come along to the free event. Funnily enough, I was talking to a young lady last night about this, and she thought the free event was why was it free? There must be a scam or something. Well, here's the thing, it's not, right? Come along to the free event, come and see for yourself. And that's, I think, if you're a business owner or you're looking to get into business, you need to have your own mind and your own mindset. Don't listen to what other people think you should do. Be brave enough and bold enough to come along to the free event, spend a day with Joss and Yesenia, and then if they invite you to come to the next 2 days, just do that. You have nothing to lose, everything to gain. And be bold enough to make your own decisions.